this in a ASMR style. So this one is the Infinity X1. It's smaller inside and brighter outside. This one is the dual pack. So this one has a solar plus a motion sensor or motion activate. It's a dusk to dawn lighting. You can use this for your pathway or walkway or front yard, backyard. So with this two side, the smaller one, it has up to 50 looms, and then the one in the center, you could adjust 150 looms, 250, and up to 500 looms. So yeah, I got this out of Costco for $9.97 plus tag, with the white price tag and with the asterisk on the upper right hand side. So this one is a discontinued model. I believe I was looking at this, I think it was like a $29.99 original price. So I bought like $6 of this, so total 12 pieces. Solar rechargeable. It has 360 motion detection. And it's IPX4 water resistant. Right here is the measurement. See, this one has 3 modes: 150, 250, and 500. So if it is in total darkness, you could adjust the brightness, which is awesome. Dusk to dawn path light, 50 looms, up to 10 hours nighttime. Oh, my bad. 50 loom is for the center, sorry. And then the one on the side right here, you could adjust 150, 250, and 500. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company or Costco. So they have an option use. They have the mounting bracket, but the screws are not included. You could mount this on your fence or on your deck. Just like that. Right here is the instruction. They come with the pole, plus steak. So they have a switch for the spotlight output. And those are the 3 settings that you could change the brightness. There's also a power button right there. And then set the time for the duration of a motion activate spotlight. You could also turn it off 10 seconds and 15 seconds. All this like plastic housing. And the product is made in Cambodia. So right here is the light right here. And these 2 are the path lights. So you got the 150, 250, 500. And right here is the off 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Let's do a 10 second. Test it out real quick. So right here is 150 looms right now. Change to 250. And then 500. Wow, yeah, it's pretty bright. I'm going to set it to 150 so it doesn't waste too much electricity or the battery. So this mounting bracket has 4 holes for the screws in case you want to mount this on your fence or on your deck. And then it's easy to take it out. But just hopefully nobody will steal this. The stake for your backyard, front yard, courtyard, side yard, whatever. And this is the pole right here. And they just put it right here, that's it. Yeah, unfortunately there's no lock or something, so if people want to steal this, they can easy to take it out unless you glue it. So yeah, be sure to put it outside so the sun could charge your solar panel right here. By the way, they have a plastic protective layer right here. Then you need to remove it. Unless you want to keep it. So yeah, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always.